Hello everybody, just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to this channel over the years. The last 2 years we've seen immense growth of the channel and we've been doing our best to refine the product. We're always learning, we're always improving, and we're always trying to make it as good as it can be. We've still got lots of videos to film, we've got lots of projects in mind, but this 500 subscriber milestone, as small as it may be to some people, it's big for this channel because, as you may know, we're an extremely niche product. We're never going to get 100,000 subscribers here, but that's not why we do it. We do it because we want to. We enjoy it. It's our passion project. We like that there are other like-minded people out there who enjoy this content, and we do it for you. This 500 subscriber milestone, it's one step closer to actually getting monetized on this channel. The second step we need to complete is 3,000 hours of watch time for a 12-month period. We're already halfway there. The more content we upload, the more views we get. So hopefully in a couple of years we might actually get monetized, and we will be putting that money towards the channel, buying some new projects and maybe some of the more rare and expensive lights that we can showcase. But as a final big thank you to you all for sticking around and watching us for all these years. We've spared no expense, and this is for you.